Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Rocket Lab as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.69. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 74.37% since we first classified Rocket Lab as a buy candidate 46 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.62% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can anticipate a reaction back towards the trend's lower end. A breakout above the upper trend line at $36.37 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 29% to 71%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 220%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 100% to 228% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $70.79 and $116.20. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab includes the headline, "Evaluation of Rocket Lab stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Rocket Lab stock price experienced a decline of 2.1% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of June, 2025. The price fell from $36.14 to $35.38. During the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.1%, ranging from a low of $34.83 to a high of $37.65. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 34.02% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day increased by 6 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk could rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 47 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $37.65, while the lowest was $4.20. Currently, the price is 6.03%, or $2.27, below the 52-week high of $37.65, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Today, Rocket Lab is making headlines with several key developments that could influence its stock performance both in the short and long term. The company recently launched its 67th Electron rocket successfully, underscoring its operational capability and agility in the satellite launch market. This rapid response in scheduling missions not only showcases Rocket Lab's efficiency, but also positions it favorably in a growing sector. Furthermore, Cantor Fitzgerald has raised its price target for Rocket Lab, indicating optimism among analysts about the company's prospects. With the anticipated launch for the European Space Agency's navigation constellation, Rocket Lab is expanding its global footprint, potentially opening up new revenue streams. While Rocket Lab trades at a premium compared to its peers, the robust growth in launch numbers and contracts, particularly in Europe, highlights its competitive edge. This surge, evidenced by a 600% rise over the past year, suggests strong investor confidence that may drive stock prices further upward in the near future. Overall, Rocket Lab's ability to swiftly execute launches, coupled with growing international contracts, positions it strongly for continued success, likely reflecting positively on its stock valuation in both the immediate and future markets. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Key Bank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, it was reported that Key Bank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Key Bank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, it was reported that Key Bank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab. The Rocket Lab stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $32.57 and $27.26. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 26, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 2.1%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices were falling yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 52 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 26 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.78 and $30.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, Rocket Lab finds support just below today's level at $32.78. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $30.04 and $29.64. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.82 between its high and low, which represents an 8.1% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rocket Lab, let us quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 10 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab is at $36.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rocket Lab encounters its first support level at $32.78. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Saint-Omerlin executed an insider sale of 4,053 shares of common stock. On the same day, Saint-Omerlin conducted another insider sale, this time of 2,300 shares of common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Saint-Omerlin carried out an insider sale of 1,700 shares of common stock. On the same day, Saint-Omerlin completed another insider sale of 4,653 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Openi executed an insider sale of 142,178 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 26.230. In total, insiders purchased 59,081,484 shares, while selling 118,244,341 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $34.16, which represents a decrease of 3.46%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Rocket Lab stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Rocket Lab stock to perform well in the near term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of June, we anticipate that Rocket Lab will open higher by approximately 573 cents, starting at $35.95. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.